Welcome to this answer-based YouTube channel. In this video today, we'll be looking at on how to make a Google Doc accessible to everyone so that they can edit the document. So make sure you logged into your Google Doc, the one that you want to share. You have option number one, you can go to File, and then you can share with others, and then you can add individual persons to who you want to share with, or you can remove the restriction and then share with anyone that has the link, that you can copy the link and share it with friends or colleagues. The other option on how to access the same option is once you're on your Google Doc, you go to the top right corner where it says share. You click on share, it'll bring you back to the same window here. And this is the way you can then share it with an individual person, or if you want to share with everyone who has this link, then again is general access where it says anyone with this link can then access this Google Doc, and then they can all make adjustments and edit the document according to what standards you want it to be. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like what you've seen today, please like the video. Please comment and subscribe to the channel. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and see you in the next video.